Hello everyone, thanks so much for joining me today. My name is Lydia and this is Time with Lydia the Pharmacist. It's that time of the year where we are all preparing for Christmas. We are getting ready for end of year parties, nights out with friends and family, and also meeting friends and family on Christmas Day. You want to look and feel great and confident in that nice outfit. I have prepared a series that I will share with you between now and Christmas, and I have dubbed it Health, Wellness, and Beauty Tips for Christmas. This series will help you achieve that feel-good and confident look. Today, we would look at how to make your skin glow naturally within 1 week. These are everyday home remedies that can get your skin glowing within 1 week if you practice them diligently. For your skin to glow naturally within 1 week, the first thing you need to do is hydrate. When it comes to how to get glowing skin naturally, the importance of hydration can never be overemphasized. By drinking water regularly, you can keep your skin fresh, prevent headache, increase energy, and glow naturally. In addition to this, hydration ensures that toxins are flushed out of your body, hence guaranteeing that your skin is clear and glowing. Try to drink at least 2 liters or 8 glasses of water daily, apart from other fluids like your tea and your coffee. You would agree with me that drinking 2 liters of water a day can sometimes be difficult, especially when you live in a country where it is cold and you do not get thirsty. There are so many ways to make drinking water easier, and I'm going to recommend 2 ways that you can stick to, and this will help you hydrate. So the first one is to add flavor to your water. Squeeze a lemon into the water. This will give it a tangy taste and make it easier. Again, lemon will support your heart. It would help with weight control and digestive health. Another tip to make drinking water easier is to drink 1 glass of water just when you wake up from sleep in the morning, and 1 glass just before you go to bed. In addition to this, have 1 glass of water before each meal, that is before your breakfast, your lunch, and dinner or supper. Apart from this helping you get hydrated, it can even result in consuming less calories at those meals, which can ultimately lead to weight loss, probably because the water provides a sense of fullness. So not as much food is needed for you to get satisfied. All these practices will prevent dry and patchy skin. The next thing that you can do to get a glowing skin within 1 week is to eat healthy. Our bodies usually react to what we eat. So if you eat healthy diets, you can expect your skin to glow. According to several studies, it has been established that vegetables and fruits are essential foods that we need to improve our skin. Make sure you get your 5 portions of fruits and vegetables a day. Remember, the tip is to have a wide variety of fruits and vegetables within a day. This will allow you to get all the different minerals and vitamins that you need for your skin to glow. But to make it easier, make sure you have some fruits with your breakfast. For instance, you can have a banana with your cereal. Have some fruits with your lunch. You can get an apple or an orange with your lunch, and make sure you get some vegetables with your dinner. And this would allow you to get your 5 portions within the day. You should always avoid junk and processed foods and diets and drinks that have sugar. Also avoid drinking alcohol and smoking. These unhealthy drinks and foods can prevent your skin from glowing, as they prevent oxygen from getting to your cells, and they cause skin dryness and increase the rate of aging. They also have adverse effects on your overall well-being, so you should avoid them as much as you can. The third thing that you can do to get glowing skin naturally within a week as do not spend a long time in the shower. Steam and heat can open pores and help you get rid of toxins. But running hot water over your body for more than a few minutes at a time can strip away oil from your skin, leaving it tired and dull. Try to minimize your skin's exposure to water that is extremely hot. The tip is to get the temperature of the water just about 2 degrees above your body temperature. You may also consider cooling down the temperature in the latter part of your shower to improve circulation, which may give your face and your body a more toned and youthful appearance. Tip number 4, exfoliate. Exfoliating is the process of removing dead skin cells from the surface of your skin using a chemical, a granular substance, or an exfoliation tool. Your skin naturally sheds dead skin cells to make room for new cells every 30 days or so. Sometimes dead cells don't shed completely, and this can result in dry, flaky patches and clogged pores. Exfoliating can help prevent this. There is an exfoliating scrub you can make at home, and this is called brown sugar body scrub. You would need a half cup of coconut oil, a quarter cup of honey, a half cup of brown sugar, and 3 teaspoons of ground oatmeal. Stir together the coconut oil and honey, and then add the brown sugar and oatmeal. Stir until left with a thick paste. After wetting your skin, gently rub the mixture on your body. Rinse and pat dry. Exfoliate with this paste once or twice a week to make your skin glow. Tip number 5, get into a skincare routine. If you want to achieve glowing skin naturally in a week, you must have a skincare routine that you follow religiously. Your skincare routine must involve cleansing, toning, and moisturizing, as these 3 activities are essential in ensuring that you have glowing skin. I would recommend you get a natural cleanser that is gentle on your skin. Lemon serves as a great cleanser of the skin. Also, turmeric powder mixed with natural yogurt serves as a great cleanser. A cleanser would open up your pores and get rid of all impurities that are hiding in them. After cleansing, you need to go through the process of applying a toner. A toner will tighten up unclogged pores. And you can make your own toner at home using green tea. It is very easy. It works for all skin types, and I mean dry, normal, and oily skin. Green tea can make your skin feel like silk. To make green tea toner, simply brew 1 cup of green tea. Once it has cooled down, it's ready to use. For extra antibacterial properties, add 10 drops of tea tree or lavender oils. This will give it a nice smell as well. Then apply a moisturizer to soothe the skin and prevent it from drying up excessively. You should follow this routine twice every day to get the expected results. Self-discipline is key when it comes to getting into a skincare routine. Otherwise, the goal of getting a beautiful skin will be unfruitful. And our final tip, number 6, get enough sleep. Irrespective of what you have learned on how to make your skin glow naturally, if you don't sleep well, you will damage your skin. When you don't sleep enough, you can be confident that you're depriving your skin of the needed nutrients. Therefore, it is essential to sleep for at least 7 to 8 hours every night. If possible, take some naps during the day to help your skin glow naturally. With the methods I have highlighted, you can be rest assured that you will naturally get glowing skin in just a week if followed religiously. However, if you don't get the results you want within the period, Be patient. You may also want to visit a dermatologist for further assistance on how to get glowing skin naturally. I hope you have learned something today. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share with family and friends, and if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, please don't forget to hit on that subscribe button and also on the notification bell so you don't miss anything that I upload. Thank you once again for your time today, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye for now.